Several settlements claim to be the birthplace of the legendary Spartacus and the mythic musician Orpheus. For centuries, Bulgarian cuisine has been influenced by the culinary traditions of Greece, Turkey, Macedonia and many other countries, making the country's traditional dishes both delicious and exotic. Bulgarians take pride in their homegrown vegetables, yogurt, wine and rakia, grape brandy, and traditional meat dishes. Must try cheverme, stuffed lamb roasted on a spit, and the shopska salad, tomatoes, grilled peppers and cucumbers mixed with special vinaigrette served with ground feta cheese. Hundreds of wineries offer a wide selection of renowned red and white wines. Those who prefer beer can find both domestic and international brands. Some local breweries are now subsidiaries of Carlsberg, Heineken and Interbrew. Since the introduction of the currency board, Bulgaria has been politically and economically stable, and the preferential conditions and guarantees for foreign investors have generated excellent business opportunities. A member of NATO since March 2004 and scheduled to join the European Union in 2007, Bulgaria looks forward to a secure and prosperous future. For the last few years, the country has benefited from leisure and recreation activities, ecotourism and international investment. Bulgaria's unique natural beauty and cultural traditions, along with its relatively inexpensive standard of living, now attract tourists and investors from all parts of the world. Some of the country's finest scenery is found in its mountains. The Rila, Pirin, Balkan and Rhodope ranges tower over valleys dotted with bucolic villages. Spectacular natural beauty, lovely villages, quaint houses with lush gardens. These have been part of Bulgarian country life for centuries. Particularly attractive and picturesque are the national revival towns and museum villages of Zherevna, Arbanasi, Buzhenci and Etera, and their original style, slate-covered roofs, heavy wooden gates and snow-white facades only a few kilometers from major cities. Most of them are national reserves under the protection of UNESCO. The crystal-clear rivers, dense forests, fertile valleys, picturesque beauty and the traditional comforts of a country setting attract thousands of holiday makers and investors every year. Bansko is situated in a valley and is surrounded by three mountains, Pirin, Rila and the Rhodope. The magnificent landscape and climate, similar to the Swiss Alps, boast about 300 sunny days and is often called the heart of the Bulgarian Little Switzerland. The winter season in Bansko starts in November and ends in May. The ski resort offers excellent conditions and 100 kilometers of ski runs for skiers in winter. In summer you can enjoy the tranquil beauty from your balcony or may prefer to hike the pristine